Hello friends. I present to your attention the 3-stage telescopic monopod for action cameras. It allows the camera to be mounted at a distance of 500 to 1,100 millimeters from the installation site and helps to adjust its position. The design comprises the adapter, the tilt joint, telescopic tubes, a threaded mount, and a 2 to 3 connector. A 2 to 3 connector allows the camera to be tilted and fixed in the chosen position with the handle nut. Such a design can be supplemented with accessories with additional connectors for the backlight fixation or another action camera. The tilt joint is equipped with 7.5 degrees washers, which allows the tilt angle to be adjusted of the hole designed to the board. The chosen position is fixed by the handle nut too. The installed camera can be rotated by 360 degrees. The adapter of the monopod is compatible with all BORIKA FASTen mounting systems. To make the design stable, just add telescopic struts to the monopod to create a tripod while streaming video on the move. The diameter of the telescopic tube on the third upper stage allows the navigation flag to be mounted. The main parts are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. The tube is made of anodized aluminum with powder coating. Fasteners of a 2-grade stainless steel, AISI 304. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.